All, is NG Engineer. So we are going to continue with our lesson on load application. This is almost the last phase. We have applied all the load on the various level. Whether here you can see that we are at the balcony level, according to the distribution plan that we decide to use, or the one we agree with our framework. That's what came out. Okay, let me activate the cross section. So you can see that effectively I respected what we agree on, to use this part as the veranda and the other part left has a circulation. So I've applied the load. Normally I apply the surface load of balcony with using normally the NFP again 06004 of BILE, which says that the circulation has a unit weight of 2.5 kilonewton per meter square, because all those loads are not given randomly. And we also have the balcony, which is 3.5 kilonewton. The balconies and the staircase have the same life load. Okay, this concerning the life load. So I did not apply the live load on the stairs because I wanted to apply it now, so that you people can have also a look of it. So to apply now the live load on the stairs, we are going to come on load definition again. It's a surface load normally, and then we click on surface. I said the live load according to the norm NFP is 3.5. Okay, so we'll enter negative 3.5 as the circulation. Okay, that's it, and then we can click on add. Then we have defined, such doing we have defined, so doing we have defined the load of our staircase, the life load of our staircase, sorry. So now um we are going to do the application properly. So if it's your first time, normally if it's your first time, please subscribe to our various social media platform, and more particularly to our YouTube channel, where all these videos are uploaded in due time, okay, or in advance on YouTube. So this is it. We just come here. We can be applying it like this, okay, the life load of the staircase, or we can close. We select the life load of the staircase, we delete. Okay, okay, we select okay, we choose okay, then we come here on select member selection, we click on it like this. Make sure that we highlight now panel. Okay, when panel is being highlighted, this is the staircase that we defined initially in the previous lesson. We use this double arrow to select everything. Okay, if we put ourselves on the story, let's do it again back. You see that all our staircase has been selected all through the building. Okay, this is a way of select our staircase first to apply the load. You can do it for other purpose. So this is it. When you click on add, then you see the selection that you have done is highlighted here. So you just click on apply now, and then you see that the live load of the staircase has been applied all through the staircase of the 4-story building. Okay, so we can close now. I think we are done with the load application. We apply the one on the roof also. So you can check after applying all your roof, you can check the load at the various stage just by changing the stage here. You see we are on roof live load, for example. Now all this load normally has been taken from the norm NFP. This is a wall load. You can see going it is going how it's going all through. So this for the load application. Now we are going to, after doing the load application, we are going to run the verification. So we come here, verification, to make sure we do not have any error, no warning. If there was an error, then we had to correct it before start the design. Okay, so I double click again on it. We can click again now on calculation. Okay, to see what it's going to give. So right now we have made the calculation of our structure. Okay, we have launched the calculation by coming here and clicking on calculation. So now we can go on combination to see how it look like now. So you can see that under combination one, which is the ultimate limit state, we have all the load that is being shown here, and then we also have the second combination, which is combination two, okay, at the serviceability limited. So we can say that we apply our load successfully. In the next lesson we are going to see how to map the member to identify which one is the most loaded or the less loaded, to know how to design our structure in order. So this lesson was just to apply the last load, which is the one of the staircase, and run the calculation, checks whether we have error or not, and luckily and unlucky for me and unluckily for you guys, we did not have no error, so we will not go on the path of error. Okay, thank you very much. It was Andrew.